Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the direction, the market trend, and also the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about this breakout. This breakout. So now the price is basically trading slightly higher than the support level, which we already know. But the one thing, which we are not getting it from past many days, that the price is not able to close above than this particular blue line. So this blue line is nothing. This is the 100 EMA, and the level of 100 EMA is currently is at 20,760. Now the moment we will see that the price just close above than this level, we will definitely see that within no time the price will be able to reach to the 22,600. So this is the level. This is the 22,600 level, and that's the reason we are marking this level as the resistance level. So this is something, this is a situation where yes, the price actually gave a breakout. It's actually just holding this breakout. It's not moving anywhere, and neither to the downside or the upside. So that's the reason, we are getting small consolidation, small range bound area in this particular for the Bitcoin. Now for this cryptocurrency, what we can do, we can take the support at 20,000. This is an important support level. So yes, definitely we can mark this level as the support, and we can mark 22,000 as the resistance level. The most probably, the price will be there in this area for the next few days, and immediately, what we can expect, we can expect that yes, the price is trying hard to just close above than this 100 EMA. But as of now, there are multiple sellers, there are many sellers available, since there was a downtrend, so there was some sellers still available in the market. That's the reason the price is not moving upside. So now what we can expect, this fall is not looking much important, and I am saying, like, this fall is not looking so prominent, I would say, and we might able to see that the price from here will start going to the upside. So overall, for the short period of time, we can have a bullish movement for the Bitcoin, but for that the price needs to, for that confirmation, the price needs to close above than this 100 EMA. The moment we will see this, you will see that the price will straight gives you straight movement to the upside. So this is what we can look into the Bitcoin. Now if you look at the Ethereum, so for Ethereum the same situation is happening, but a small twist, a small difference is there. Now look at this 200 EMA line. This is the 200 moving average, and this is the 100 EMA. So now the price is basically getting stuck in this particular area, and that's the reason the price is not moving anywhere. So it's not giving up the level of 100 EMA, which is a plus point, and it's even not giving you a close above than the 100 EMA. And if you look at the moving averages here, so you can clearly see that these two moving averages are getting closer, and very soon you will be getting a kind of convergence and maybe a crossover soon, right? So that will be a time, when we have a crossover, that will be a time, we will see a very sharp upside momentum in the Ethereum. Until that time, we might not able to see much momentum, and we will see some kind of range bound or consolidation movement in this particular cryptocurrency, and this is exactly happening here. So now we can say that, looking at the moving averages, these two lines, we can say that within a very few days time, we will be getting at least, these lines will converge, and the question will be arising at that time, whether we are getting a crossover or not. And if we do not get a crossover, that will be, our analysis will move into a different situation. And if we get a crossover, then we will be getting a very clear indication that from now onwards, you will see that the price will go to the upside. So this is what we can expect. And of course, if you look at this small momentum from the past few days, however, the price is just trading in a sideways or a range bound situation. With that thing, we are not getting a good volume. So that is something, a sign, which means that still the Ethereum is trying to hold up this 100 EMA level, which is currently at 1526. Now what we can expect, we can take up a resistance at 1725, that is an important resistance level, and we can take up a support at 1510. So these are the two very important levels. Of course these are the support and resistance levels. Also we have almost nearby the moving averages levels as well. So that's the reason these levels become even more important. Now so here also I'm little bullish, but if you compare the Ethereum with Bitcoin, so as per the technical setup, Ethereum looks little more prominent than the Bitcoin, because for the Bitcoin it still needs to clear some of the checkpoints, checklist, and the Ethereum has already done that. So for Ethereum, this is only one thing which is remaining, that is the crossover of these two moving averages. And for this particular Bitcoin, first the price needs to come and close above then this 100 EMA, and then we will be looking forward the crossover or the convergence of the moving averages. So for that Bitcoin, maybe it will take some time, but the moment we will see a crossover in Ethereum of the moving averages, the crossover of the moving averages, very soon we'll be getting a very clear upside momentum. So this is all for today, and if you are getting this thing clear, if you find it good, if you find it useful, do subscribe the channel and also like this video. Click on the notification bell icon. I'll meet you tomorrow. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching me.